How to redeem Netflix gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.netflix.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the membership option. You will then see the option for redeem gift card or code. Tap on that and further enter the code and tap on the redeem button, and with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem Netflix gift card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.